Well, changed the oil in the generator, and now getting ready to get some gas and fill out the propane, because we're going to use the RV to go to Myakka State Park. Taking off. Going to Myakka. Get everybody. This Zach and Austin are on the computer already. Playing Minecraft. Shannon and Kelly on the couch. She's talking to myself. Let's roll. Cool. We just tied in the slide because there's a hydraulic leak and the slide was starting to come out. So we used the seat belts.
It's called MacGyvering.
Yeah. It was MacGyvering by Kelly and Shannon.
That's right.
Yay! And Shannon is trying it out to make sure that it doesn't slide right now. If it's
Shannon is gonna move right now.
if it comes out, Shannon is gonna hold it in.
Now.
It's in the top over there.
This is my favorite view when you're going down and you can see the whole landscape and the water on both sides and the bridge. Just makes you feel on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world!
Yeah. And a good appreciation for where we live.
As I'm driving, this is what everybody's doing behind me. It's in the rearview mirror. Oh, you gotta keep a smooth ride.
Oh no, you're like 80 pounds now. Maybe some more muscles up running for that.
And I got my co-pilot.
I know, I'm not doing that either.
Guys, hang on. Hang on, turning in.
Look at the silo.
Cool guys.
Cool. We're driving in Dakin, Myakka River. Oh, there are a couple of cows fighting. Settling differences. We're here with Margaret. Margaret, can you tell us, how are the facilities here? Yes. Tell me some more. Hi. Hi. Yes.
You're not supposed to be doing
Hey,
that
Margaret. Why not?
because they bite.
Of course, everything bites.
And they really
Look at a
hurt.
nice cow.
You know you guys are going to end up
Margaret.
stepping on poop. No.
Hi. Aw, you got a big tongue too.
Look, there's
So,
That's how they
we're
say
down
no,
here with Esther,
Margaret was
and yeah, Margaret's still over here.
How funny would it be if
Tasting
I
the
took
grass.
dog and threw it in the cold? It would be like,
You'd have a stampede.
yeah.
What do you think? What are you? What are you? I think this she's got a cold, like she got red nose. There, walking in. We are inside the little store. They got a bunch of really cool stuff. And the next tour is at 3 o'clock. So we got a little bit over an hour to kill. But that's a really neat local stuff. You're gonna see behind me the cheeses and milk. You're gonna get some of those. Probably do it now. Go through inside the RV refrigerator and go for a tour. He's not ready. He wants
No. Put some more in. I'm stronger than you.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Are you sure about that? Not informed. I'm not stronger than that. I can hold this right here, and he cannot move it.
Wow.
Yeah, right. I just bounce it. Okay, can you please put some food inside here?
You put a little bit of food in there?
Just a wee bit. It's not funny. Dad, let me drop it. Watch him pull it up. I know
He's pulling.
He's so cool. You want a pizza? We're all trying to get food.
Yeah. Oh, he got it up.
Can I have some goat food? No, because you will not want to feed them after.
She just fed him. She just gave him some.
Just put your hand flat.
Up, yep. But get it all.
On one hand.
Get it all on one hand.
And just hold it flat.
There.
And just. No.
Checking out the pigs. Calves. Hey, bud. Hey. Hi. Oink, oink, oink. You're rough. What are you eating? You're just licking the wood. What else is in here? Chicken. Oh, some chickens. It's neat to see all the paw prints. Cool ducks, hens. Wow. Rooster. Pretty neat place. Hey guys. Oink oink oink. I don't want kisses. You guys are funny. Boys will be boys.
Hey guys.
Can you tie my shoe? We're up there.
Hey.
Climbing on the tree. Can you tie my
Hey,
shoe?
can you let me look at me for
Hey,
a
Zach.
second?
Zach.
Zach,
Look at me, Shannon.
look at me. Will you go and feed them?
Do you want to feed the cows? Do you want some food? Well then, I think I have some.
I do too.
Driving out. Bye, cows. Kelly and Shannon making food. Whoa. Low bouncy. Getting some snacks.
Look at all the cows.
Yeah,
This bridge is where we saw a huge alligator.
there's probably going to be some gators out here.
Yeah.
There's everybody. Oh yeah, right there.
You see the alligator?
See
Look
two
to the
gator
left.
heads?
Look over here, babe.
Two gator heads. Aren't there any of them on the right? Look on the right. Any gators?
Oh, there's one right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of people hanging out. Walking down the trail with everybody.
We're now entering a moist zone.
A moist zone. Yeah, it's really nice here. All the small palm trees, and the boys are having field day with all these down trees. This is nice. I like exploring new places we haven't been to.
Go at the same time on the roof.
No.
Watch out.
Probably not, but it'd be the one time because Mr. Wade wasn't watching.
Sorry.
Might be kind of far.
I just saw that as like, I
Crunch.
really don't want to do that.
Yeah, let's not find out.
And sometimes I can't articulate. It's just easier just to do than to say.
Oh, Mom! Asta was waiting for her hand.
Like, oh,
They're just walking away.
Sorry, I only help other kids, not my own.
Yeah, toughen them up. That's the way to toughen them up.
Stronger.
That's right. Ooh, suspension bridge.
Anytime it falls.
Nice. They're gonna go up and go across the suspension bridge.
I know.
Canopy, walkway, and tower.
I'm not gonna take these with us.
They were right there.
All right, made it up top.
Only 4 people. So,
Danger, maximum limit of 4 people.
yeah. You gotta win.
Austin, hi. Look around. Get over a little bit, Austin.
My dog is right behind your leg.
Wow.
Okay.
Cool, huh?
Go.
So high.
Go.
2 people at a time.
4.
4.
They count for 1.
Go ahead.
It's a little jiggly. Wow, let's go up there. We made it all the way up.
That was falling.
Here, shake, see the view. All the way around.
Get a crap.
I'm
up here.
We're way up here.
Annie, stop.
This is really high. Yeah, it's shaking up here.
I'm right here. This is good.
You got just a few more steps, you're going to be all the way at the top.
Oh, Jesus.
You got this.
I don't want to be up here. Then I'll have to go down.
Yeah. You got this.
You guys are like 8 years old.
You got this.
Close it.
There, go back down. This thing's pretty shaky. Here's, you can see all the way down. The bridge. Across.
Cabin cruiser, and they're like, you really should start a little smaller for your first one. It's a good deal.
How far can you make it?
I went up here, so usually. Awesome.
Ooh, you're doing good. Wow, almost at the top. Ah! Austin, can you make it?
Yeah.
Almost. Just gonna go all the way to the top, right?
Yeah.
There you go. See, watch Zach. Watch how Miss Shannon does it, so you can do it too.
The backpack's pulling me.
We're close.
The scenic drive, Big Flats Campground concession. Yeah, campground's on the right, and then on the left, right there. This is concession. Go, go, Gadget Super Racers. And the water's cold and wet. Aha. And it's kind of brackish. I don't know, I don't see any gators here. That doesn't mean that they're not here though. This is their home. And last time we were here, they're all over in the water. Not right here, but lots of gators over here. Right there. You see? Right in the water. And straight ahead. There's the gator. And there's the guys right there. Oh, those are the guys that were in the canopy deal with us too. Oh.
The alligator attacks and they're like, oh, help, help, and we gotta run over there.
Yeah. You ready to go?
Yeah, they're actually not that slow.
No, they're very,
They're
very
very
fast.
surprised.
Very
People
fast.
never expected them. The things
Yeah.
just come after them and they go, wow.
All right, Zach. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's roll. What'd you think about those guys?
Not very good trained.
I agree with
Not very well trained?
Nope.
No? What better training you think I should just went and wrestled the gator?
Nope. Not even did it in the first place.
They should have stayed behind the fence where it said don't go over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think there were some very good decisions there. Yeah. Oh well. You know better than that, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
video going because you're screaming too.
I hope not.